Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to RC Insiders. We're going to do something a little different this week. I picked up this nice awesome power washer here from Homdox. This is a 2.6 gallon per minute, 3500 PSI power washer. It's fully electric. Guys, big reason I wanted to get this is I got a couple projects to do around the house with cleaning some rocks and cleaning some siding and stuff. So I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I wanted to stay below 200, but I wanted something with some decent pressure. So I ran across this one. It's from Homdox. Nice and simple, nothing fancy about it. Like I said, 3500 PSI. It does come with the quick connect bar. Just to give you a quick little thing as I'm figuring it out. We'll figure it out together. So that's our lance. Comes with this cool bag of fittings, little screwdriver in there, and these are our spray nozzles. So they'll be varying degrees from 0 degrees all the way up to like an open fan tip. So this one will shoot a steady stream of water, and these like spread out your fan, the width of your fan. What has it got? It's got a cool little tip holder that will screw on the back. We got a cool little adjustable height handle for moving it around. It's got some nice little wheels. You can move it around, nice and portable. What else we got on here? This is our water intake. Just a standard garden hose fitting. And this is where our pressure line will hook up. That'll be this guy here. I don't know exactly how long it is. I'd venture to say it's probably 20-25 feet. And that'll hook directly to our gun right here. Nice and simple, guys. Nothing hard on this one. This will probably mount up here on the side somewhere. Actually, let's take a look. Let's see what it does. Looks like a little slot. Something like that. That way when you're done, you probably put your gun right in there. Everything's nice and portable. What are these little things? Oh, also, of course, it's got GFCI, which is a ground fault circuit interrupter, so we don't get electrocuted. I guess anything you're doing with water, guys, you want a GFCI. Good deal. I like it. I don't know how long that cord is, but I would venture to say another 25 feet or so. So you're right off the bat, you can get up to 50 feet away from your power. Alright, nothing, like I said, guys, nothing fancy about it. Just wanted it for a couple simple home projects. Also has a detergent bottle so you can spray soap. I'm going to guess that this would probably, how would this work? Okay, so you probably take that off, fill it with soap, it just screws right on there, and this would go in there like that. So yeah, fill that with soap. Now you're spraying soap. Cool. So just give us a minute, guys. I'm just going to do a couple quick little demos with it so we can see what kind of power it has. I'm not going to have you watch me wash my whole house, but we'll wash a little bit of concrete or something here. I got a couple bricks over there. Like I said, I got about 100 of them to wash, so I'm going to actually see how this goes. I got old oily mat. I got some real super dirty rocks that we use for landscaping in the front. Like I said, I got about 100 of those to wash, so I actually want to see how that goes. So we'll get the washing. Just give us a minute here. We'll get everything set up, and then we'll start spraying water. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to try out is the soap machine, right? So we're going to simulate maybe you're washing your car. All I put in here is dish soap. I would imagine you can put any kind of soap you want in it. We're going to go ahead and just see what it does when we pull the trigger. I actually got a mat down here with some oil on it. We'll spray some on there. Okay guys, so you see with the electric power washer, it was pretty cool, right? So when you pull the trigger, that's when it comes on. As soon as you let off the trigger, it shuts off, and it's super quiet. So you can see how it sprays the soap everywhere. So imagine if you're washing your car, it'd be pretty convenient. Just soap it all down. Okay, so that works pretty good. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, see how easy this is. We'll take this nozzle off, come over here. This is fun stuff, guys. Anything that involves power and water and stuff like that, we like it, right? We're gonna put on our extendo wand, see what comes out of there. Alright, let's take a tip, guys. Alright, so I'm going to imagine if you want to wash like a large surface, you're going to want some type of fan tip. And I believe that the yellow is a fan tip. This is why, another reason I got this particular power washer is these little quick connects. Nice and easy to switch tips. Locked in, pull it back, comes out, switch your tip. Alright guys, couple things when you're power washing. Always wear eye protection. Never wear anything that you don't want to get dirty, which I'm not too worried about it. And always wear some type of shoes or something. Like if it was me and we weren't on YouTube, I'd probably be doing this in flip-flops. But you don't want to mess around, water will cut you. So let's see what this thing does. Ready? So it seems to have a pretty decent amount of pressure on it. It's washing the oil right off of the mat. Let's go ahead and move on to this dirty rock and see what happens. Alright, watch your eyes, guys. So I actually made the rock look basically brand new, which is exactly what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I wanted it for. Like I said, I got a ton of those to wash, and that's going to work out well and make everything look nice and new. Let's move this stuff out of the way, and we'll see if we can clean any concrete with it. Oh, let's get that rock while we're here. See what it does. Alright, we'll just wash remember you can turn that tip to whichever way you want to face your fan. And that would be that way. So this is some pretty dirty concrete. I'm not putting no soap down or nothing, I just want to see what it'll do, see what it'll wash. So you can see, guys, it's pretty much washing almost everything off the concrete. Let's switch to, let's pick another tip and see what it does. Look at that. It actually is getting it pretty clean. Let's pull out, let's try a green. Nice and easy to switch those tips. We'll see what this does. So the green looks like it's spread a little bit more, so you'll have less direct pressure. Let's give the white one a try. Nice and simple, changing the tip. So if you see that one, guys, that one's spread out even more. So if you're trying to wash a bigger surface, and there's not so much hard stuff on it. So I'm gonna guess that for cleaning like hard stains like that on concrete, the yellow is probably the way to go. So you see how much stuff that it took off of here? That's the part that I didn't do. We'll run that right down the middle. So it gets pretty much everything off the concrete, but it's not so much pressure that it's actually tearing up the concrete, which is perfect. So you want to clean up your driveway a little bit, this machine will do it. So now let's check out that infamous red tip. Yeah, in the power washing industry, this is known as a 0-degree tip, a hard hitter tip, penetrator tip. But what it does, it'll shoot a straight stream of water. So what we're going to do something fun. We're going to go over here and see if it has enough pressure to cut through cardboard. Pretty thick cardboard. So yeah, obviously that's not what it's meant for, but if you can't have fun with something, it ain't worth having, right guys? Alright, what else do we want to do here? Give me a minute and we'll set one more thing up and then we'll wrap it up. Alright guys, try to simulate like if you got a deck or something. These are just some old 2x4s and junk laying around. And there's a welcome mat. Let's see what it does on there. So let's see what it does with the wood. Never put your foot down when you're going to wash something. So again guys, enough pressure to get the dirt and the stains off the wood, but not really enough pressure to destroy the wood. Perfect, I like it. shiny under. Works out real good. Alright, let's see what it does on this welcome mat. I don't know if it'll destroy it or what. Dirt coming out of there. Working good so far. Let's do one more thing, guys. I'm going to try to clean off that swing a little bit. We don't want to use the yellow one on there. We'll switch over to the green. Let's see if we can clean any of that dirt off there. It's been a long winter, guys. See all the dirt on it? So it's sitting out there in the winter. Tons of dirt. Let's see if we can clean it up a little bit. So much dirt coming out of there. So much dirt, guys. Alright, so I don't know, my favorite thing so far is cutting up cardboard with that zero tip and cleaning the rocks, which basically that's what I got it for, guys. And like I said, you gotta clean the gutters and some soffit and stuff like that. I think it'll work out pretty good. Alright, give us a minute, we'll wrap this up, guys. Alright guys, so what did you think of the Homdox 3500 PSI Power Washer? I liked it for the price. Can't beat it. I mean, it's going to do everything that I wanted it to do. Pretty awesome, guys. Comes with the 4 different nozzles on it, the quick connects. Super simple setup, super simple operation. I mean, it's literally hook up your hose, tighten it up a little bit, put your water in, boom, turn it on, turn it off, pull the trigger. The soap thing's pretty cool. I really do like that. Make it. I mean, that's when I wash my car. I usually just go down to the car wash, spray it with soap, and then spray it off. So, hey, now I can do that at home. Cost me a couple dollars in water instead of $5 in gas and $5 at the car wash, right? Clean all the soffit, clean all the gutters on the old garage and the house there. I like it so far. Obviously, if we run into any issues with it, we will let you know. See how well it lasts after I put it through the ringer. I'd say I probably got a good 15 to 20 hours worth of work to do with it, especially cleaning all those rocks. We will check back in, give an update on it. If it's still running good, we'll give it 2 thumbs up. But for now, we'll give it a thumbs up. I like it. Guys, if you want to pick one up, check that description. And guys, it's springtime, so if you got some lawn stuff to do, you're looking for some like lawn care tips and reviews on, you know, weed eaters, lawnmowers and stuff like that, guys, check out my buddy Tony's Lawn Care. He's got a channel, he's got a blog, he does everything lawn. Good guy, and guys, he's an old school basher. He's getting back into bashing RCs with his son. Go check out his channel. His link will be in the description too. Good dude, you'll like him. Other than that, the old Homdox 3500 PSI Power Washer. I like it, guys. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button before you go. And until next time, guys, happy bashing.